guys, welcome to my new series on Autolayouts. I've created this series where I'll be creating numerous videos where I'll be demonstrating how to use Autolayouts. So in the first video I'll be telling you about how to use Autolayouts for this basic screen, which is blue in color. As you can see, and I have chosen the background to be yellow. So if you see it on the preview screen right now, I've designed it for the 4-inch screen. And if you go ahead and look it for 4.7-inch screen, and for the 5.5-inch screen, it's not looking great because it's been designed on 4-inch screen and it's just covering the 4-inch part that has been designed, right? So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and define the constraints so that it covers the entire screen on the 4.7-inch part as well, and for the 5.5-inch part as well. So the first thing that you need to keep in mind while using the auto layouts is that for every view, every module, or for every control, you need to actually define its four things for it. You need to define its x, you need to define its y, you need to define its width, and you need to define its height. And if you have define all these four things, then you actually do not need to worry about anything else. These are the just four things that you need to keep in mind. And if I start over here, first I'll just go ahead and simply put in the constraints. So to put in the constraints, what you need to do is just need to right click on your view, and or if you have a touchpad, you just press the control button, and you just do a three fingers drag on the UI view that it's on. You'll see the constant that have come up. So what we'll do is we'll choose the leading, trailing, top and bottom, and we'll go and tap the add constraint thing, and now you'll see it's looking so great on the 4.7-inch screen and on the 5.5-inch screen as well. So I'm just going over it very quickly. So I'll now just define how it works as well. Just click on it again. I'll just clear the constraints for you. So now to do it, the thing that I kept in mind for this is that I want my UI view to touch the top wall. I want it to touch the leading wall, the trailing wall, and the bottom wall. That's all we require for this basic UI view, right? So what I did is I just right clicked on my view, dragged it to the view controller that it's in. I mean the parent view, you can call it, and I'll just choose the leading part. Just also remember to press the alt button while doing with the main view, because it creates margins otherwise. Just press the alt option button, press the shift button so that you can put in multiple constants at once. So I've pressed the alt option button, I press the shift button, so it's leading, trailing. Now I'll leave the alt option button because it's giving the margins over here. I've left the alt option button now. The only button that I pressed right now is the shift button. Now choose the other two constants, the top and the bottom, and add these four constraints. So now it's now what it has done is that it has defined its x, it has defined its y, it has defined its width, because we have also defined its trailing part, because we have defined the leading and trailing. So what it does, it gives us it's the width, and also if we choose both top and bottom, it defines its y, and also it defines its height as well. So just click on the add constants part. Done. That's it. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. I'll be continuing with more demonstrations on my next video.